Hey folks, I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics, and today we are going to talk about mounting the PB-3 and PB-3 IP panic buttons. We get asked this question often enough where it makes sense for me to just make a video about it. It's way easier for me to show you how to mount a PB-3 than it is for me to explain it. This mounting process also applies to our emergency phones, the surface mount versions, both analog and IP. So if you are installing a E1600A or an E1600-03 IP, this is going to be a good video for that as well. With the PB-3, you're going to notice the back plate has a up arrow. That's going to be mounted to the far side towards the top of the chassis. Now there are 6 mounting holes on here. One thing that I like about these center holes is that this top slot here allows you to slightly adjust the back plate during your install. Once you've got the back plate mounted, you'll take these pins and line them up with the angled bracket here of the back plate. And you'll slide the chassis on like that. Next, find these 2 little screws in the Ziploc bag that came with your PB-3. These screws make up our hidden helical torque secured pressure lock mounting system. Just kidding, it's not actually called that. And they screw into these 2 holes here at the bottom. Might be easier to start them when the unit's in your hand as opposed to hanging on the back plate. Somebody tell me if there's a faster way to do an Allen key. Tell me in the comments. Very nice. Our engineering manager, Greg, actually designed this mounting system about 25 years ago. He liked the idea of keeping the security mechanism hidden, and then it just looks clean. You know, you look at it and you can't really figure out, hey, how is it mounted to the wall there? Some competing brands will have the screws you can see through the wall. Greg wanted it to be very aesthetically pleasing in the way that it mounts. And so if you are interested in more information on the PB-3, we do have a new product announcement that you can check out right here. Or if you'd like to learn more about the E1600 series of phones, we actually did a EWP torture test and we buried one in a snowbank. So check out that video as well. I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. See you next time.